हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड पेंशनर्स। तो दोस्तों आपका स्वागत है। तो यहाँ पे दोस्तों अभी जो देखने वाले हैं दैट इज़ रिगार्डिंग दी हॉनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड पेंशन फेडरेशन की तरफ से जो हाल ही में लेटर राइट अप हुआ है उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे मैनी ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स एंड पेंशनर्स आर सेइंग दैट सर प्लीज़ डोंट से फ्रेंड्स दोस्तों यू आर रीआइटरेटिंग द थिंग्स अगेन एंड अगेन। सो इसमें मैं कुछ नहीं कहूँगा। सो दिस इज़ जस्ट माई आप कह सकते हो संस्कार हैं। आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू बी फ्रेंडली विद मोस्ट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स। फ्रेंड्स से भी मैं फ्रेंडली रहता हूँ। मैं सीरियसनेस मेरे नेचर में है ही नहीं है। तो यहाँ पे लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दी जो स्टेट बैंक ऑफ रिटायरीज एसोसिएशन ने अभी हाल ही में लेटेस्ट मुद्दा उठाया है। टू द ऑफिस बियरर्स मेंबर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल कमेटी and also functionaries and members of its affiliates. A note on implication of decision of Honorable Supreme Court in Maharashtra State Financial Corporation ex Employee Association and ORS versus State of Maharashtra and ORS Civil Appeal List. तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट जो हॉनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट दोस्तों रिसीव हुई है उसी को अभी थोड़ा सा रीआइट्रेट करूँगा मैं। बिकॉज ये मैटर मैंने पहले ऑलरेडी वीडियो में आपको डे बिफोर yesterday आई थिंक मैंने शेयर कर दिया है। सो इट इज़ रिपोर्टेड दैट VRS एम्प्लॉय कैनॉट क्लेम पैरिटी with those who retired after on superannuation in terms of judgment of Honorable Supreme Court. So this has created anxiety and unrest among those who have retired voluntary either under VRS or otherwise. This is an attempt to allay the fears and present true facts and the legal position. So this case relates to the revision of pension. So it is stated in the judgment that however the manner of its implementation, the timing of applicability of a scheme and its impact, especially where it results in exclusion of certain section of public employees from the benefit, are subject matter of scrutiny by the court. So especially when the complaint is of discrimination and violation of article 14 of constitution, this is one such case. So writ petition was filed questioning the decision of board which demand the benefit of revision of pay scales as recommended by the fifth pay commission to the employees of Maharashtra State Financial Corporation who had retired or died during the service during the period of 1st January 2006 to 29th of March 2010. So the writ petition filed by the association was dismissed by the Nagpur bench of Honorable High Court of Bombay. The association had filed against the decision of corporation which allowed revision of pension to 115 employees who were in service on 29th of March 2010 with effect from 1st January 2006, depriving the benefit to over 900 employees who had retired. तो ये रहा पूरा मैटर। The advocate for the association even invoked the judgment in Colonel P.J. Akara, retired, versus Government of India, D.S. Nakara versus Union of India, questioning the discrimination. But the advocate for the corporation advanced the argument on A.K. Bindal and ANR versus Union of India and over State of Punjab to us that the financial implication upon the employer is a relevant factor which the court must weight while adjudging whether implication of any policy is arbitrary. So, in an appeal filed by the Association, Honorable Supreme Court partially allowed the appeal by ordering revision of pension to those who retired on superannuation and also died which while in service during the period from 1st January 2006 to 29th March 2010. So, what the Honorable High Court denied the benefit of revision of salary and consequent revision of pension to those who retired before attaining the age of superannuation. So basically this is not a case of revision of pension, but it is a case of revision of salary. तो ये revision of salary का केस है फ्रेंड्स। और others who retired upon reaching the age of superannuation, likewise those who ceases to be in employment for the reason of termination or other dismal were not be entitled to the benefit of pay revision. So the appeal is partially allowed to the extent, but those who retired from service of MSFC between 1st January 2006 to 29th of March 2010. So it is also decided that there is no question of any employee against agitating for any kind of this past rights with his erstwhile employer, including many making any claim with regard to enhancement of pay scale for earlier periods. So this is not the first time those who have retired under VRS have been deprived of salary revision. So when salary is revised retrospectively, and these employees have retired in between under VRS scheme. So even in Manjubai and Shah versus Union of India, covering the employees of general insurance companies who retired under VRS scheme, what deny the benefit of revision of pay and consequent revision of basic pension. Therefore these cases relate to revision of salary, and it is not applicable in respect of revision of pension to those who retired under VRS scheme. तो यहाँ पे इनका क्लैरिफिकेशन दोस्तों काफ़ी अच्छा इन्होंने दिया हुआ है. सो इन बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री देयर इज अ प्रीसीडेंस where the benefit of another option to join pension scheme wide joint note by part settlement 2010 even to those who retired under VRS was extended. So therefore ratio of this judgment फॉरेन लेवल सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू पेंशन रिवीजन इन बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री. तो यहाँ पे ये इन्होंने क्लैरिफिकेशन दोस्तों दे रखा है. तो इसके बाद बट दिस जजमेंट हैज़ डील्ड इन डिटेल द राइट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयर टू फिक्स द कट ऑफ डेट, justification of tempering dearance allowance formula, the judgment, and would help in drawing conclusion in pension revision of bank pensioners. So therefore members who have retired under any mode other than superannuation need not to unduly worry about this decision. तो उन्हें वरी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So this judgment has no bearing on revision of pension, but it is only on revision of salary. So this was the क्वाइट इम्पॉर्टेंट, मुझे इम्पॉर्टेंट लगा व्हेन आई गो थ्रू. तो वैसे ही मैंने आप लोगों को बड़ा प्रॉपरली ये बता दिया है दोस्तों. तो यहाँ पे एक बड़ी आई वॉज जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू द कमेंट्स ऑन द one of the video, and I found that many of were favoring sir please read loudly and read the content only, uh, and many were saying me that sir please decipher it, भी आप इसे बताइए इसमें है क्या एग्जैक्टली हमें उसी से बस पता चल जाएगा भी हमें इसे डोंट रीड इट लाउडली, हमें सिर्फ बता दीजिए इसमें है क्या. सो आई डोंट नो विच आइदर वे आई हैव टू गो, भी मुझे इसे पढ़ना ही चाहिए या मुझे आपको सिर्फ इसमें डिसाइफर करके जो बातें आप लोगों तक शेयर कर देनी चाहिए. सो प्लीज़ कमेंट ऑन दिस इज़ क्वाइट disturbing me a lot. So that's all for this session, and please make sure to like the video. कुछ अच्छी अपडेट ही है तो टेक